In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust speed and jitter, a fast and simple motion design tool available on the web. Let's dive into this process, making it simple and straightforward so that you can speed up or slow down your animations with ease. First, head over to the Jitter website. Once you're there, you'll notice immediately how intuitive and user-friendly the interface is. This platform is designed to make creating and editing motion designs as seamless as possible. Once you're on the homepage, the first thing you want to do is click on the My Files option. You'll find this option prominently displayed on the screen, and it's your gateway to accessing the projects you've been working on. Now that you're inside your files, you might see a tab or notification that interests you. It might be a project you've recently worked on or something you've saved for later. Go ahead and click on the tab or notification. This will open the project you're aiming to adjust the speed for. It's always good to take a quick moment here to remind yourself of the project's goals and what adjustments you're aiming to make. Once your project is open, locate the violet range displayed on the screen. This is an essential tool for adjusting the timing of your animation. The violet range allows you to modify the speed by altering its length. You can expand it to make the animation slower or shorten it to speed things up. Take a bit of time here to carefully adjust the violet range until it matches the desired timing for your project. After you've adjusted the length of the violet range to your liking, it's time to see how your changes have affected the animation. This can be easily done by clicking on the play button. The play button is your best friend in this area. It provides instant feedback, enabling you to view your adjustments in real time. Watch closely how the animation plays out. Ensure that the speed aligns with your project's needs and fine-tune as necessary. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully adjusted the speed of your animation in Jitter. Whether you're creating something for professional purposes or just experimenting with motion design, adjusting speeds can significantly enhance the storytelling aspect of your animation. Remember, Jitter is all about creativity and flexibility, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment even further. Keep honing your skills, and soon you'll master the art of motion design on this platform. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.